In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to disable AI in Notion. If you prefer a cleaner workspace, want fewer distractions, or simply don't use Notion's AI features, turning them off is quick and reversible. I'll walk you through it clearly so you can get it done with confidence. Start by opening Notion and looking to the left side of your screen. You'll see the sidebar with your pages and options. Near the bottom, click on Settings. If your sidebar is collapsed, hover over the left edge and expand it first so you can see the Settings option. This takes you into the main settings area for your current workspace. Inside Settings, look for the section labeled Notion AI. Click that. This is the dedicated space where Notion groups all AI-related controls. It's designed to be straightforward, so you can quickly find what you need without digging through multiple menus. If you manage more than one workspace, make sure you're adjusting the settings for the correct one, since AI preferences are tied to each workspace separately. On the Notion AI page, you'll see toggles and options related to how AI appears and behaves in your editor. This can include the inline Ask AI button, smart suggestions, autofill or summaries, and other AI-powered helpers that surface in pages and databases. To fully disable AI in your experience, turn off every toggle you see on this page. When you flip a toggle off, Notion applies the change immediately. There's usually no separate save button. If a confirmation appears, accept it to finalize the change. Once you've disabled all the features shown there, the AI button and prompts should disappear from your editor, and Notion will stop offering AI suggestions. This keeps your workflow focused on manual writing and editing, just the way you want it. If you don't notice a change right away, try closing and reopening the page, or briefly restarting the app or browser tab to refresh the interface. A few helpful notes before we wrap up. If you're part of a team workspace, your admin might control or limit AI settings. In that case, you'll see only the options available to you. If you don't see Notion AI in your settings at all, make sure you're using the latest version of the app or try accessing Notion through your browser. And remember, you can always come back to the same Notion AI section later to re-enable any specific features you miss. That's all there is to it. You've successfully disabled AI in Notion. Thanks for watching, and enjoy your streamlined workspace.